name is Mr. K. Cholaman. My mother name is Mrs. K. Sushila, and I have three brothers, young brothers. They are still working self-employed. And myself, coming to the point of myself, I have been working as an accountant in the market. My hobbies as swimming and volleyball play. My ambition is good faculty. Thank you.
Thank you.